Hey y'all, welcome back to Kooks. I am Keisha Michelle, and today we're going to be making some cheesecake stuffed strawberries. This recipe is super simple, you guys. I do offer these to my customers, and I know a lot of you guys want to know how much I charge for my treats and all that stuff. So for these particular strawberries, they are considered gourmet strawberries. I charge $30 for a half dozen and $55 for a whole dozen of these strawberries. My customers love them. I used to call them bougie berries because they look really fancy when I am done making them. So as you can see, I am just taking my plastic spoon and I'm just poking it into the strawberry, and I'm going around to make this circle. It comes out perfectly every time. You're just gonna pop that centerpiece out once you have gone completely around, and you're gonna be left with a hole for your stuffing. Some treat makers like to cut out the top of their strawberries for stuffed strawberries. It doesn't matter how you do it. I just like the look, the aesthetic of these, doing it this way. So yeah, just follow along. So while I'm doing this, I'm just going to tell you guys everything that you're going to need to make these strawberries. I don't know why I didn't do this in the beginning, but it's okay. You're going to need candy melts. I'm using white, but you can use dark chocolate, milk chocolate, whatever you want to use. And for the coating, I am going to coat these with the strawberry crumble, which I did not record myself making that, but it's super simple. You need golden Oreos, strawberry gelatin, and butter. You're going to crumble up your Oreos in a food processor, blender, or whatever you decide to use. And you're going to add them to a bowl, combine your ingredients, your Oreos, and then put your gelatin on top of the crumbled up Oreos. Melt your butter, about a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons. Add that on top of the strawberry gelatin. Let that dissolve into the gelatin, and then you're gonna use a fork and mix it together, and that's how you make your strawberry crumble. As you've seen in the previous clip, I was drying the inside of my holes that I created because we are about to dip these strawberries into the chocolate. So you can try to avoid dipping the hole into the chocolate, but I don't do all of that, y'all. I dip my entire berry into the chocolate. That's why I dried the inside of the holes off as much as possible to avoid my chocolate from seizing. So now we're just adding in our toothpicks so that we can get these good old juicy berries dipped. And of course, y'all want to make sure that you clean your strawberries. As you can see, my strawberries look very clean. And for your candy melts, I just microwave mine in a measuring cup. That I find that dipping strawberries in a measuring cup is the easiest method for me. I just add the candy melts into the measuring cup, put it in the microwave, 30-second intervals on power level 50%, and that's how I do it. Some people use the double boiler method. I've actually never used that method before, and I do want to try it one day, but this is how I do it. There is the strawberry crumble, nice and crumbled up. So let's get to dipping. When dipping strawberries, I like to pull all the leaves back on the toothpick while I dip them to avoid the chocolate from getting on the leaves. But you know, it doesn't work out every time. Sometimes you may end up with a little bit of chocolate on your leaves, and that is okay, as long as it's not looking super too messy. Okay. I didn't find nobody like you. Mr. Rebel, are you there? Are you listening? Rebel, are you there? Are you still in the garden? Are you there? Are you playing in the darkness? Are you out, Mr. Trouble? Are you there? Are
Mr. Rebel, are you there? Are you running to me? Are you coming to me? Fall in my arms, Mr. Rebel. Come in my heart, Mr. Rebel. Yeah. Mr. Rebel, are you there? Are you on me? Are you scared? Are you in? Are you out? Who do you love? Who do you call and get down? Falling, you're falling behind. Finally gone, I'm the one with the winning prize. I'm really gone on the run, I'll be shooting time. I'm the sound on the ground, I'm the winning sound. I'm the crown, I'm the vibe, I'm the leading vibe. You move me to my mind. I've been down, I've been at the other side. You take me out, I know you to be my friend. I've been down now. Flying over the moon, I've been under the sun, and I didn't find nobody like you, no. I didn't find nobody like you, Mr. Rebel. Are you there? Are you listening?
So now that we have all our strawberries dipped, we are now going to pipe some cheesecake into the strawberries. Now, you can make your own cheesecake stuffing, you can make your own cheesecake, but that's just up to you. I do a mixture of both. You can find a slice of cheesecake at a reputable store that you like the taste of, which I love the taste of this one. And we're just going to get that nice and mashed up inside of the piping bag. And we're just going to go in and we're going to pipe these bad boys up like so.
Waking up to my heartbeat, accompanied by the rain. The soreness in my eyes is not very surprising. This room is still uncharted, but as soon as I get started, I'll send you an SOS.
And there you have it, strawberry crunch cheesecake stuffed chocolate covered strawberries. That was a mouthful. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you haven't done so already, please be sure to subscribe, turn on your notifications, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.